How to contact Google Live Chat Support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reach out with Google Live Chat Support. So first things first is of course pull up your web browser from Google Chrome. And then what you want to have to type in right here is going to be support space chat Google. Hit on enter and of course you will be seeing a lot of results here. But you're going to have to choose on the very first one, which is going to be chat support help. And you will have this kind of interface. Now, no matter how you search or what you search from the issue that you're encountering with, you will not be able to get the live chat support option. But what you want to type in here is just add. Then hit on enter. From here, choose on read more so that you will see articles. And then you just need to scroll all the way down. And from need more help, choose on contact us. Now, this time around, this is going to be the field that you have to be specific with the problem that you're encountering with. So, say, for example, just type in hello, hit on next, and then choose on other, next tab. From here, choose on chat. If chat is not available here, you can click on hours of operation and you should be able to see their available or uptime schedule. And that's it. That's how you contact Google Live Chat support.